Hey guys, so I decided to make a video on the Smok Novo having firing issues or not charging, um, etc. Those kind of things. So this video will help you fix issues like not firing at all or not charging at all. I looked all over the internet and I could not find any videos that basically would help me fix this issue. Everyone was about taking the whole thing apart, and or there were videos blow into this little hole or blow into the cartridge and etc etc, and I just, none of that stuff worked for me, and I did try it. The only thing that I could figure out, and by the way, I didn't have any tools on hand. I had a really mini tweezer and a thumbtack. That's all I had, unfortunately. But if you have a flathead screwdriver, a mini one, that would be awesome. So basically, for about 2 days, I could not get it to charge. I could not get it to hit. I ended up even getting replacement coils, thinking maybe I burnt out the coil I had, and nothing. I could not get this thing to fire. I ended up what I ended up doing was just opening this flap, the front part of it, just a little bit. All I did was, I won't do it again because I don't want to keep messing with it. I might need to do it again in case I have this issue, but all I did was take little tweezers and assisted by this thumbtack if needed, and I just went, and you're gonna take the portion where the light comes on, and I just basically pried open this top right there. I pried open that a little bit, just halfway, so it was halfway open. I held it open for just a minute or two, blew in it just very little, not crazy. I let it air out for just a few minutes, and then I closed it. Just, it goes, snaps right back on. I close it back up, and then I tried charging it using the USB charge that was provided, and sure enough, I went ahead, once I did that, after 2 days of trying everything else, doing this while I'm gonna put the phone down for a second, but be right back. Let me put it to charge and I can show you guys. And sure enough, it was charging. So that's the fix I have for you guys, and it's fully charged, and I'm so happy. And then I even tested it out with my cartridge or my pod, and after so many attempts, it finally works. Nice. Yep, just what I want to hear. Works perfectly fine, and I just didn't want to pry it open like all the other YouTubers had recommended. I just thought sometimes it just needs to vent out, or there might be some juice stuck in there that if you blow on it a little bit or let it air out a little bit, it'll dry up. And then always make sure when you take your pot out, make sure there's no leaks in there. Look inside, clean it out with a Q-tip, make sure this isn't leaking, and then you should be good to go. I also have a lot of fixes on any of these products. If you guys own any of these by Smok or Surin, I have fixes for those as well, because I've used those for a long time, and pretty much if you have any Smok products, you know that they're not built very well. They make very good products to last, only temporary, but after a while you're gonna have to learn how to fix it on your own. So if that works for you, leave comments down below, or if you have any questions, leave comments or the questions down below, and I'll be sure to respond to them. Again, this is the fix for no firing, no charging, etc. Thank you.